Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, your girl is sporting a new hairdo, so let's get into it. So I am rocking a U-part wig, and this U-part wig is from Alipearl. It is a super cute 26-inch body wave U-part wig. I don't remember the last time I actually had body wave hair. I'm more of like, a textured hair type of girl, but I figured why not try something a little bit more sleek. So this U part is 200% density, and like I said, it's 26 inches, so she is very long. I decided to wave this unit because I haven't worn Crips in so long, and it's the vibe right now. So I'm using this Revlon deep waver. I don't know exactly what it's called, but I'll link it down below for you guys. And yeah, I'm just taking little sections and we're waving our hair. Also, I still have my braids from my quick weave in, so I'm literally just putting this over top. And you guys, I know I'll be doing like quick little styles and I'll just ponytail my hair, but no, the braids are it. You need the braids underneath these wigs. This literally is so cute, and it took no time at all. I feel like it took me like 30 minutes to wave my whole hair, and I think it's because like the amount of hair, like it's 200% density, but it's like kind of silky hair, so it doesn't take much time at all, and it's just so cute. So here's what the hair looks like all finished. You guys, this hair is so pretty, and this is actually the natural color that the hair came. I didn't dye it, but I do want to dye it jet black because I'm going to re-dye my hair jet black. As you can see, that old color is like peeking through, and I dyed my hair with a permanent hair dye, so I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to re-dye my hair jet black, and then I'm going to dye all my hair, all my bundles, all my wigs jet black too, because it's just something about like a bust down part through the middle with like jet black hair. I don't know, it just does something. My hair just blends right in, and I'm not mad at it. I'm just brushing it through to like combine it, to melt it together. But I think this is so cute. The hair is so lightweight, it just feels like nothing. And I'm just using a little bit of hair serum to add more shine to my hair, but yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, and I'll also have a link for Alipearl in the description box if you're interested for the unit I'm wearing.